Hey guys, welcome to Wheatgrass Juicing 101. My name is Justin and I'll be your host. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some fresh wheatgrass. You're going to need a blender with a little bit of purified water in the bottom, about a cup and a half. You're going to need 2 jars, one for straining off the green juice and one that you're actually going to drink the juice out of. And I use a mason jar for this, and I put a little mesh screen in the top of it. Works wonderfully. You just screw on the top, strains it out, your juice is good to go. Alright, to get started, we're just going to take our wheatgrass, cut it up into the bowl, and this just makes it a little bit easier on the blender. I mean, it still cuts it no problem, but you do have to cut it into a little bit smaller pieces first. I personally don't mind it because this blender only cost me like 40 bucks and things lasted me all year, no problem. So, and this is the whole point of this show, is that we're getting back to basics. You don't need to go and buy some fancy blender. You don't need to buy a fancy juicer, spend hundreds of dollars on this thing to be able to get the benefits of wheatgrass juice. All you need is just your bare bones basic blender. Alright, so once you get your wheatgrass chopped up in the bowl, just turn your blender on. And there it is. Alright, so now we're just going to take our wheatgrass juice, put it in the first jar. So it's got all that fibrous material in it. Just use our strainer top. And we're just going to pour the juice from here right into our other jar. I love that. This stuff looks just like green Kool-Aid. You know, they always say, don't drink the Kool-Aid. Well, in this case, do drink the Kool-Aid. Loads of health benefits. Stuff is pure chlorophyll. Alright, so bottoms up, that's it guys. So if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe, comment, rate, and if you'd like to see more vids just like this or all kinds of other stuff, because I'm going to be doing 101 vids all across the board of basically anything that I can think of. We're getting back to basics. So thanks a lot for viewing my video. Hope you guys have a good day.